Understanding API calls. A simple guide. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a commonly used technical phrase in the digital world: make an API call. If you're curious about tech, programming, or just want to expand your English vocabulary in these areas, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the phrase itself, let's understand what an API or application programming interface is. Imagine an API as a waiter in a restaurant. You, the customer, request something, a dish, and the waiter, the API, communicates your order to the kitchen, the system, and then brings the dish back to you. In technical terms, an API allows one software application to talk to another. It's a set of rules that lets programs communicate with each other, exposing data and functionality across the internet in a consistent format. Now, making an API call essentially means sending a request to a server or a system via an API to retrieve information or perform an operation. It's like ordering a dish using the restaurant's menu. The menu provides a list of dishes you can order, along with a description of each dish. When you specify which dish you want, the kitchen system prepares the dish and serves it to you. In technical terms, when you make an API call, your application sends a request to the API with some parameters, and the API sends back the data or performs the action requested. This interaction is a fundamental part of modern software development, enabling different applications and services to communicate and share data. There are different types of API calls, but the most common ones are: GET retrieves data from a server. It's like asking, "Can you give me the information about this dish?" POST sends data to a server to create or update a resource. It's like saying, "I would like to order this dish." PUT updates existing data on the server. It's similar to saying, "I'd like to change my order." Delete removes data from the server. Like telling the waiter, "I'm no longer interested in this dish. Please cancel my order." And there you have it. Making an API call is a way for applications to communicate and exchange data. It's a fundamental concept in today's digital world where apps often rely on data and functionality provided by other services. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to make an API call and why it's important. Keep exploring, and happy learning!